Hello and thanks for tuning in. Daily Newsmax here with today's headline. U.S. Embassy in Qatar issues shelter-in-place warning. This alarming advisory has citizens on high alert. This just broke on June 25, 2025 from u.newsweek.com. Stay tuned as we uncover what's happening on the ground. The U.S. Embassy is urging all citizens in Qatar to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. Reports indicate escalating tensions in the region. Locals are feeling the impact as businesses close early. Many are worried about not receiving timely information. Officials are closely monitoring the situation, urging calm. In a world where safety is key, this warning is critical. What should you do if you're affected? Stay updated and stay safe. Tap follow now for updates.